Welcome to Creating with Creative Science. My name is Saskia Ankara, and today I'm going to talk about selling digital products on Etsy. I've been selling digital products on Etsy for a very long time, and in the process, I've learned a lot. I've seen up and downs, but in these days, like this year, like the last year to this year, I've seen change because I've notice some things, and today I'm going to talk about them. Okay, you already know what digital products are. How to have success with digital products on Etsy. First, you need to know what to sell. Okay, you need to know what to sell. What kind of digital products you're gonna sell? You need to know your niche, who your target audience is, who you're focusing on, who you're selling the products to, the people who are using those products you are selling. Okay, you need to know that there are different kinds of digital products. There are different kinds of digital products. The way I see it like this, like two groups, like evergreen digital products and seasonal digital products. Okay, there are digital products that are editable and digital products that are not editable. So evergreen digital products, they are editable ones and not editable ones. Seasonal products, they are editable ones and non-editable ones. Okay, so these two groups have editable and non-editable digital products. Evergreen digital products are products that you can sell all the time. I'm going to give you some examples. For instance, birthday digital products, birthday invitation, wedding invitation, things for birthday shirts, and memorial digital products, baby shower digital products, because these events they happen, they occur the whole year round. There's no typical seasons for them. Every day people are dying, people die every day, babies are born every day. So it's not really seasonal, it's just year round. I call it evergreen. Okay, and then you have seasonal events. Okay, events like graduation, Christmas, Valentine, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, 4th of July. So different seasons. Okay, holidays and other seasons. You have digital products for the seasons also. And when you're selling digital products on Etsy, you have to have evergreen digital products and seasonal digital products. Okay, you need to have them. But today I'm going to tell you also about products that really sell. Let me tell you something. I'm going to talk more about digital products for the crafting industry. People who do sublimation, they do DTF, print and cut, and all that. Let me tell you, the digital products that sells the most for me in my eyes, and for other people that I see, other sellers on Etsy, are editable digital products. What are those? Editable digital products are templates that you can customize, you can edit them. Let me give you an example. Let's say graduation template, okay, for a shirt. Okay, on that template, your customer, when you create a template, your customer should be able to change the font on the font and the text on that template. They should be able to change the colors. They should be able to delete and add the pictures that they want. They should be able to increase and decrease the size, size it down. They should be able to add and remove elements. Okay, so a template that was green, they should be able to make it pink. If you put in a name like Sarah or James, they should be able to change the name from Sarah James to John Thomas. Okay, yeah, you understand me here. Yeah, editable digital products are very popular, and they will sell for you every year. Okay, put that on the side. When you sell digital products also, one thing that you should focus on is that if you want to make a lot of sales, work on it to put your products as PLR, like products that the buyer can resell. They can resell the digital products again. They can resell it as their own. That makes you a lot of money also. One of the other things is that with digital products, you do not have the mindset of I charge my word plus text. No. With digital products, you do not do that. Because the money you're going to make is in the amount of people buying it. Okay? The money you're gonna make is not because let me tell you, I take me sometimes more than an hour to put a template together, okay? Put a template together. And then if I calculate the price plus text, my word plus text, I want to charge $40 for that template. But no, I cannot charge $40 for that template. I can charge around $10 for that template. But I'm going to make the money in the frequency, in the frequent, like how often people purchase it, okay? How beautiful it is, how versatile it is, how customizable and editable it is, how useful it is, okay? People will buy it over and over again. And that's where I'm going to make the money, okay? That's where you're going to make the money. In another video, I will talk about how to position your digital products to make the most money in a season. Okay, but I hope you take something from this video, okay? So like I said, when you're selling digital products, it's not about my word and plus text, and no. It's about how good it is, how useful it is, how editable it is, and how beautiful it is. And people will buy it. More people buy it. That's where the money is. And you know that with digital products, you can create it once, create it very, very well once, and then you can sell it over and over again. Okay? In other videos, I'm going to talk about editable digital products, and I'm going to make also another video about how to make money with them. Okay, how to make money with them. They say that digital products are like passive income, but sometimes it's not passive. Sometimes you create the product, but it's also active. You have to work active on it, not in the creation only, like create the product only, but also in selling it. You have to how can I say? You have to be active, and maybe people don't know that. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you how you can make money with your digital products here on Etsy. Stay tuned. And if you have learned something from this video, consider subscribing. Consider give this video a like. And if you want to ask me something in the comment section, feel free to ask. I will come back and respond to your question. Thank you so much, and have a great day.